Mastering business ethics. Our leaders' actions contradict our organizational values. Who among our organizational leaders consistently embodies and promotes the core values that drive our organization's decision-making processes? To achieve operational excellence, organizations must prioritize a culture of ethics and integrity, where leaders embody and promote core values that drive decision-making processes. This can be achieved by focusing on the following key areas. 1. Establishing a strong moral compass. Leaders should develop and consistently communicate a clear moral compass that outlines the organization's core values, ethics, and principles. This compass should serve as a guide for decision-making, ensuring that all actions and decisions align with the organization's values. 2. Leading by example. Leaders must model the behavior they expect from others, demonstrating a commitment to ethical behavior and integrity in their own actions and decisions. This sets a positive tone for the organization and encourages others to follow suit. 3. Creating an ethical culture. Foster an environment where employees feel empowered to speak up, report concerns, and ask questions without fear of retaliation. This culture should encourage open communication, transparency, and accountability. 4. Ethics training and education. Provide regular ethics training and education programs for employees, focusing on real-world scenarios and industry-specific challenges. This helps build a common understanding of ethical principles and practices. 5. Performance metrics and incentives. Tie performance metrics and incentives to ethical behavior, recognizing and rewarding employees who demonstrate exemplary ethics and integrity. 6. Accountability and consequences. Establish a system of accountability, where unethical behavior is addressed promptly and consistently, with consequences for those who violate the organization's ethical standards. 7. Monitoring and auditing. Regularly monitor and audit business practices to ensure compliance with ethical standards and identify areas for improvement. 8. Stakeholder engagement. Engage with stakeholders, including customers, suppliers, and the wider community, to ensure that the organization's values and ethics are aligned with their expectations. 9. Open communication channels. Establish open communication channels, including hotlines, ombudsman, or other confidential reporting mechanisms, to allow employees and stakeholders to report concerns or ask questions anonymously. 10. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and revise the organization's ethical framework, policies, and procedures to ensure they remain relevant and effective in preventing unethical behavior. By focusing on these key areas, organizations can create a culture of operational excellence, where ethics and integrity are embedded in every aspect of the business. This, in turn, enhances reputation, builds trust with stakeholders, and drives long-term success.